Today I'm going to be changing the ribbon on my typewriter back here, and I'm going to show you just exactly how to do it. Okay, so first you're going to want to pop off your lid to your typewriter here, and you're going to see there's spools already. Okay, now all typewriters are different, but you're going to want to take this ribbon, you're going to untuck it from behind this. You're going to take your spools out. There's usually like a little contraption here to grab the spools. And you're going to want to take your old spool out, at least you can see this one's cracked, and just set that off to the side or in the carriage while you go get your new ones. Take a pair of scissors, open the package, be careful not to cut any ribbon. So here's the fresh ribbon. So you can see here, wow, very nice. And let's go put this into the typewriter. As you can see, the red is facing down, just remember that. There's a little lever on the side here that changes colors. Okay, go through these little thingies, these little pinchers. Go over here, loosen that up, drop it in there. You're gonna make sure you also fish this through. And you're gonna wanna get it underneath, behind and under. And go down, up, and through. You're gonna wind it up, tighten it up, make sure these things are in their little sprockets. Pro tip when loading a typewriter, make sure you have 2 sheets of paper. It'll just keep the roller, you know, good condition for longer, and it's slightly better indentation. All right, we're gonna feed it through the back here. Open this up, put this in. Great, close it. All right, go under here. We're gonna line it up, right? Amazing, line up nice, fantastic. And then we're gonna go to the beginning, all the way down, and we're gonna type something right there.